Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete apps on your iPhone. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you multiple ways to do it. First method. Find the app you want to delete on your home screen. Press and hold on the app icon. You'll see a menu pop up. Tap Remove App at the bottom. Then, you'll get a prompt asking to either delete the app or remove it from the home screen. Make sure you select Delete App. Another prompt will appear, confirming you want to delete the data. Select Delete again. And poof. After a few seconds, it's gone. Okay, method number 2. Go to your iPhone's homepage and swipe all the way to the left until you reach your app library. Tap the search bar at the very top and type in the name of the app you want to delete. Once you find it, press and hold on the app icon. Same menu pops up as before. Select Delete App, then confirm again by tapping Delete App in the prompt. A few seconds later, it's successfully deleted. Alright, last but not least, the third method. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down to find the app you want to get rid of. If you need to scroll further, tap Show All. Once you've found the app, tap on it. Then tap Delete App. In the pop-up, tap Delete App one more time. After a brief moment, it's gone. Now, what if you're trying to delete an app, but you don't see the option to delete it? That means you need to adjust your screen time settings. Let me show you how. Go back to the Settings app. Scroll down until you find Screen Time, and tap on it. Scroll down slightly to Content and Privacy Restrictions, and tap on that. Now select iTunes and App Store purchases. Next, tap on Deleting Apps. Make sure Allow is selected. If it's not, tap on Allow. Okay, now exit out of the Settings app. The next time you try to delete an app, you should see the option. If you still don't see the option to delete right away, give it a few seconds, and it should appear. And that's it. 3 different ways to delete apps on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.